Hello, today I'm going to teach you how to make a simple Scratch game. Hopefully it answers a lot of questions you may have about the programming language and will help you get a head start on things. So first we're going to make a tick function. This is what it is. It's basically just a forever loop with broadcast tick inside of it. This is basically just another forever loop, except you can control everything from here. If I wanted to, I could have it only go if you're not pressing the key P, which would basically be a pause function. So now we're going to go over here to the player, and we're going to make his basic movement scripts. Here we have them right here. If the right arrow is pressed, you'd go to the right. If the left arrow is pressed, you go to the left. That's pretty easy right there. We're not using these ones right here, these keys, because if we do those, it acts weird and it's just odd. You don't want to use those. So going over to the enemies, we're going to first make it so when the flag is clicked, they automatically spawn. Set the score to 0. So here's the score right here. Every time you shoot one, which we're going to get to also, then the score will go up. So every 1 second, it makes a clone. When it starts as a clone, it goes to a random position, and whenever it receives tick, which is basically just the forever function, it's going to go towards the player, and it's going to move a couple of steps. If it's touching it, then it stops the game because you lose. If it's touching a bullet, it dies. So for the bullets, we're going to do the same sort of thing. Whenever the mouse is down, it creates a clone of itself, so it makes another bullet, and it waits 0.3 seconds, so you can't just machine gun everything down. Now, we're going to use this one right here, because if it's these enemies right here, if they're touching the bullets, they're going to broadcast this thing called check hit. So it's going to broadcast towards the bullets, and the bullets are going to see, hey, am I touching any enemies? If they are, they're going to delete themselves, and that way we can have the bullets stop, and the enemies will end up being stopped as well. So this is the basic function. The bullets move 6 steps in whatever direction. If they're touching the edge, they disappear, and that's pretty much it. Well, let's try out the game. Shoot the enemies, hits them, stops, etc.